Hey, Brian here with DIY Outdoor Life. Today we're going to do a quick video on the stabilizing jacks on our RV. Now, whether you have a teardrop camper or a larger RV, a lot of them come with these BAL style stabilizing jacks. These aren't lifting jacks and they're not leveling jacks. They're not intended to lift the weight of the trailer. They just make a firm contact with the ground and help stabilize the trailer while we're inside. For that reason, I've had a lot of luck using these Camco leveling blocks to raise the level up so there's less leverage on these stabilizing jacks. It makes them work a lot better and it makes for a much more stable inside environment. Now, the problem with maintaining these jacks is they work by sending a threaded rod through a fixed nut. When you get material like road debris and gravel stuck on that threaded rod, they become harder and harder to use and they begin to get very noisy. They make loud squeaks. They can wake up your neighbors. Now, I see a lot of people spraying these with WD-40 or PB Blaster. It's the worst thing we can do. This rod is exposed to the road while we're traveling, and those forms of wet lube actually stick to that material and help it adhere to the threads. For that reason, what I want you to use is this dry moly lube. It stands for like moly, poly, blah, 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 blah. But it comes in a can like this. I'll throw a link in the description to this lube that I'm using. Now, it goes on like spray paint. The carrying agent dries and it leaves a dry lubricant behind. The material won't be able to stick to the threads of your stabilizing jack. So to use this stuff, follow the directions, just shake it up and give a good spray to all sides of that rod. Sometimes you have to climb underneath to do a good job here. But basically, I clean this off, I spray it with a hose or rub it down with a brush, let it dry completely and give a good covering of the threaded rod with this dry moly spray, and these things work great for years to come. So quick tip today, I hope it helps. Make sure you like and subscribe the videos and I'll keep them coming. Thanks a lot.